Hello everyone. Today, we are going to show you how to automatically decline meetings in Google Calendar. This helps avoid scheduling conflicts and lets us stay in control of our time. This feature is very useful, especially when we are busy or have set aside focused time. All we need to do is click on Create to start making an event. We will name it Out of Office. For the duration, we will set it to daily so that the auto decline will be active every day during this period. We set the start date to today or to the date when we will be out of the office. For example, from March 26 to April 10. This will cover the auto decline dates from March 26 to April 10. We can choose Do Not Repeat, or we can set it to repeat daily. If we choose daily, it will apply to all days within that range. Once we are done, we just click Save. As we can see, the event will be marked as Out of Office. Google Calendar will then notify others that we are out of office during that period. And that is how we auto-decline meetings in Google Calendar in just a few simple steps.